Is LinkedIn the weirdest, most egotistical platform on the internet? Or is it the greatest opportunity for anybody wanting to grow a business, land their dream job, or otherwise have a more successful career? In this video, we're going to look at exactly how you can use LinkedIn to achieve whatever goals you have in your professional life without having to post shameless selfies with the caption, "I used to work 900 hours a day and have a boss that hated me, but now I'm making more money than Jeff Bezos and live in 18 countries across the world." We've all seen them. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jacob Sotiris. I am a digital director for a training company and also run my own LinkedIn growth agency. And on this channel, I share tips and tricks that I personally use to land clients on behalf of my clients. And today we're going to be looking at how you can use LinkedIn to win in business or your professional career by doing things that most out there aren't doing. Before we jump into the value, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more LinkedIn related content and leave a comment below telling me if you have ever seen an ego post like the example I just gave. Now, LinkedIn is a professional networking platform designed to connect professionals from various industries, and with nearly 1 billion users, it has become an essential tool for career advancement and gaining opportunities you might not otherwise have had. In my own experience from back when I was selling cars, I used to get many job offers from dealership managers who had seen my content and industry expertise on the platform and wanted me to join their company. And whether your goal is to get job offers landing in your inbox or just be seen as the industry thought leader to further your career, LinkedIn provides you with the perfect place to do this. And in this video, I'm going to be outlining a few of the tips that I would recommend that you do in order to achieve success on the platform right now. So, where would I start if I was, let's say, a professional in an industry whereby I wanted to grow my reputation and have other opportunities coming my way? Well, firstly, and most importantly, I'd focus on building my personal brand. Now, when you hear the word personal brand, you might automatically think influencer, but that isn't quite the case. What we're doing here is actually building a professional identity that will help you stand out from others in the sector. Let's say, for example, there is a job opening and 10 people apply, of which you are one of them. The hiring company wants somebody that they know has the right experience and that they can trust. But that's very difficult to know when these people that are applying are complete strangers. The other 9 applicants are essentially ghosts with a CV, but you have built up a great reputation as someone that shares valuable insights and information within the industry on LinkedIn. And you have now grown your network with some of the hiring managers that are in the company that you want to work for. In this scenario, which is a very real one, your name will stand out as someone they already feel like they know and someone they feel like they could trust, in turn probably winning you the job. That, in a nutshell, is why you need to be on LinkedIn and using it properly. So, building a personal brand requires a few steps. So let's look at those now. Number 1, get your profile optimized and looking great. Side note, this is a service I've been providing for a little while now, so do feel free to find me on LinkedIn and ask for help. I've got a link in the description below, or just leave a comment on this video saying profile and I'll be sure to get in touch. By ensuring your page is set up correctly, you will not only look the professional part when a potential hiring manager visits your page, but you will also rank higher on LinkedIn's search engine, helping people that are searching for the particular things or skills that you offer to find you and reach out. And then you've got number 2, which is posting content. My advice here, if you're stuck on ideas of what to post, which many people are, would be to find other people in your industry that are doing great things on LinkedIn and copy them. Obviously, make it your own, but if their formula works, then use it. Now, content is fairly easy to create and there's lots of ways to do it, but the simplest type is just to post about things that people in your industry would find valuable or interesting. Let's say you're in the finance industry and you've heard about a great interest rate change that will impact people in your sector. Simply create a post about your thoughts on this and also any advice that you might give to customers or your industry peers on how to best deal with the situation or make the most out of it. Do this consistently enough and people will start to hear your name and see you as the go-to person in the space. Remember, above all else, perception is everything on a platform like this. And even if you aren't the most knowledgeable, or there are other people posting more knowledgeable stuff, if you're showing up more as the person that talks about it, people will perceive you as the most knowledgeable and valuable to them. The next thing you should be doing to get the best results from LinkedIn is to connect with the right people. There has never been a platform that enables you to bypass the gatekeeper and create meaningful relationships with your desired people as simply as LinkedIn does. You can quite literally decide who you'd like to talk to or who you'd like to see your content, search them by name or industry or job role, and connect with them and then start talking to them. I mean, that in itself should make everyone want to download this app and get involved. If you're trying to grow your career prospects, make sure you're connected with your bosses and tag them in posts that share value about your company and industry. They will see this and start to remember your name and see how important and passionate you are for and about their company and the sector, which will usually lead to them reaching out to you and offering you those promotions before they give them to others. Remember this, please. Connections and content are the two ingredients for using LinkedIn successfully, no matter your goals. So re-watch this video if you want to get good on this platform. Right, that's it. Simple as that. If you haven't already, subscribe to learn the latest and best LinkedIn tricks, and hit that like button if you want to support a smaller creator on the platform that's trying to provide to the point valuable information. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.